The menstrual cycle is a series of natural changes in hormone production and the structures of the uterus and ovaries of the female reproductive system that makes pregnancy possible. The ovarian cycle controls the production and release of eggs and the cyclic release of estrogen and then the progesterone. The menstrual cycle has a four stages. First one is the menstrual phase from day 1 to 5, follicular phase from 1 to 13, ovulation phase day 14, lethal phase is from day 15 to 28. In this process, bleeding through vagina due to the breakage of endometrium is called the menstruations. In this cycle, female body prepares itself for the pregnancy. If pregnancy not occurred, then the body abort all the preparations. Normally occurs the average interval of about 28 days of female menstruations, and then the menarche first menstruation that begins as the puberty, and then the menopause menstrual cycle stops at about the 50 years of the age. The first one is the menstruation phase. It is a day 1 to 5 cycle are known as the menstrual phase. During the menstrual phase, the layer of endometrium gets stuffed off, and then due to the breakdown of endometrial lining of uterus, bleeding continues up to the 4 to 5 days. Blood clotting does not occur due to the presence of fibrinolytic enzymes. In every cycle, 40 to 80 ml of blood is lost. So important one is the hormone change. The hormones involved in progesterone and estrogen. The progesterone are low in the menstruation phase, and FSH increase due to the negative feedback of low level of progesterones. And then another one is the follicular phase. The uterine bleeding is stopped, and then the follicular grows, matures, and secretes the estrogens during this phase. Endometrium lines start to repair. The hormonal changes, a high estrogen is stimulate pituitary gland for decreased FSH and increase the LH secretion. This abrupt rise in LH concentration in blood is called the LH surge. The third one is the ovulatory phase. In this phase occurs around the 14th days. Rupture a Graphian follicles and release of an ovum. A hormonal change, the fall in FSH level and rise in LH, increase the concentration of LH causes the Graphian follicles to rupture. And then the fourth phase is the luteal phase. The ruptured Graphian follicles transforms into a corpus luteum. The corpus luteum secretes a progesterone and some estrogens. Its fertilization occurs. In this corpus luteum persists, and fertilization does not take place in this phase, and corpus luteum remains functional for 10 days. After the 10 days begins to degenerate into a corpus albicans. This causes disintegration of the endometrium leading to the menstruations. And then the hormone change of the luteal phase. In this ovum is not fertilized, the higher level of progesterone inhibits the production of LH. And then LH causes a regression of corpus luteum and fall in progesterone level.